Check out this 2010 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.